Hello everybody, welcome back to A plus Y, the Spanish way. Today we are going to practice pronunciation and we are going to focus in the letter R in Spanish, okay? So don't miss this video, keep watching, and when you are ready, let's go!
If you wanna learn Spanish and you wanna grow, A plus Y is the way to go. Come and learn a new language, don't be afraid. A plus Y, the Spanish way. If you wanna learn Spanish and you wanna grow, A plus Y is the way to go. Come and learn a new language, don't be afraid. A plus Y, the Spanish way. 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 Bro, don't be afraid. A plus Y, the Spanish way. A plus Y, the Spanish way. A plus Y, the Spanish way. Come and learn with us.
Okay guys, the first thing we have to know is that the letter R in Spanish have two different sounds. Sometimes the sound is stronger and sometimes the sound is softer. Well, the sound is stronger in words like perro, carro, Raquel. Raquel is a proper noun. Repeat with me. Perro, carro, Raquel. You have to feel how your tongue is vibrating in your mouth. Repeat with me. Raquel, carro, perro. Okay. Now the sound is softer in words like pero, camarero, cartera. Okay. Repeat with me. Pero, camarero, cartera. Pero, camarero, cartera. Can you see the difference between pero and perro? Perro is dog. Pero is bat. Okay? Now, when the sound is stronger and when the sound is softer. Well, the sound is stronger when there's a word, right? And the first letter is R. For example, Raquel, Rata, Ramón. Raquel and Ramón are proper nouns. So, Raquel, Rata, Ramón. Repeat with me. Raquel, Rata, Ramón. Okay? And when there's a word and in the middle of the word there is a double R. For example, carro, perro, barro. Repeat with me. Carro, perro, barro. Carro, perro, barro. Right? Now when the sound is softer. The sound is softer when there is a word and in the middle of the word there's a single R. For example, pero, camarero, cartera. Repeat with me again. Pero, camarero, cartera. Pero, camarero, cartera. Okay? Now, let's see this word. Rapero, rapper. In this word, the first letter is R. So in this case, the sound is stronger. Ra, rapero. But the second one is a single R in the middle of the word. So the first one is stronger and the sound is stronger, and in the second one the sound is softer. Rapero. Okay, repeat with me. Rapero. Rapero. Okay. Now guys, before finishing, we are going to practice with two sentences, and I promise you that if you practice every day, in a few days you will master this sound. Let's see. And repeat with me. El perro de Ramón no tiene rabo. El perro de Ramón no tiene rabo. All week repeating. El perro de Ramón no tiene rabo. Okay. Now let's see the second one is Espero que el perro de Ramón no sea rapero. Espero que el perro de Ramón no sea rapero. All week, repeating. Espero que el perro de Ramón no sea rapero. Okay, guys, practice with these sentences, and I promise you, in a few days, you will master this sound. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and this helped you to learn something new in Spanish. If you like our videos, please subscribe and feel free to follow us on Instagram too, The Spanish Way Online. We are posting a lot of interesting things every day, expressions, sentences, verbs, so you have to follow us. The Spanish Way Online, okay? Thank you for watching and see you later.